there's a rainforest in Dubai and we're going there, and I'm so excited because I've already seen videos and there are sloths and sloths. There are sloths and there are lizards and just cute things, and apparently it is amazing. So we're going to Dubai. So me this morning going on about rainforests. Probably wondering what on earth is going on because we're in Dubai. Well, we are going to something called the Green Planet, which is an indoor ecosystem in Dubai. They've got like over 100 plants, 100 animals. There's lots and lots and lots here, so I'm really excited. Excuse me. So we're about to go in and I'm really excited because there's a sloth and you know you're excited.
I don't like people.
It's gonna be so much fun. This place is insane. It is so loud and it is so cool. You can probably see all the trees behind me and it goes all the way up as well. It's so cool. That was absolutely incredible. What they've done in there is just unreal. They really have brought the rainforest to Dubai. You know, you can smell it, you feel it, it's sticky warm like in a rainforest, and all the animals are just beautiful. You have to go.